25 Best Places to Visit Ghana. Welcome to the enchanting world of Ghana, an incredible destination with 25 must-visit places that are nothing short of magical. Let's embark on this journey, exploring the rich culture, vibrant traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. The vibrant city of Accra, the capital of Ghana, is our first stop. This bustling metropolis is a perfect blend of modernity and traditional Ghanaian culture, with bustling markets, colonial-era architecture, and a lively nightlife scene. Kakum National Park, our second destination, is a haven for nature lovers. Walk over the rainforest on the famous Canopy Walkway and discover myriad species of tropical flora and fauna. Truly a spectacle for all adventurers. Next, we head to Cape Coast Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This historical monument stands as a stark reminder of the transatlantic slave trade, a reflective journey through Ghana's history. At the fourth stop, we find ourselves in Kumasi, the heart of the Ashanti Kingdom. Known for its craft markets filled with Kent cloth and Ashanti gold, Kumasi is a cultural hub that captures the spirit of Ghana. Up next is the mesmerizing Lake Volta, one of the largest man-made lakes in the world. Its serene surroundings are perfect for boating, fishing, or simply relaxing and soaking in the beauty. The sixth stop takes us to Mole National Park, Ghana's largest wildlife refuge. Here, you can get up close and personal with elephants, baboons, and other African wildlife, making it a must-visit for animal enthusiasts. The Paga Crocodile Pond is our next stop. Known for its sacred crocodiles, this spot offers a unique opportunity to interact with these majestic creatures, revered by locals as ancestral spirits. Next, we visit the Manhia Palace, the seat of the Ashanti Kingdom. The palace, now a museum, showcases royal artifacts, offering a glimpse into the grandeur of the Ashanti reign. At the ninth stop, we explore the Elmina Castle, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. Originally built by the Portuguese, it serves as a poignant reminder of the horrors of the slave trade. The next destination is the vibrant Labadi Beach, Accra's most popular sandy retreat. This bustling paradise offers live music, local food, and an infectious energy, making it the perfect spot for leisure and relaxation. Our next stop, the Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum, pays tribute to Ghana's first president. This historic site houses the final resting place of David Kwame Nkrumah and offers an educational journey through Ghana's road to independence. Next up, we visit the Abduri Botanical Gardens, a haven of tranquility and beauty. With its exotic plants and serene atmosphere, it's the perfect escape from city life. Our 14th stop is the Nzulezo Stilt Village, a unique settlement built entirely on Lake Tadane. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a unique insight into the way of life of the Nzima people. The Larabanga Mosque, the oldest mosque in Ghana, is our next stop. This iconic mud and stick building is an architectural marvel and an important site of Islamic worship. Our final destination is the Blai Waterfalls, the tallest waterfall in West Africa. Nestled in the Agumatsa Wildlife Sanctuary, the falls offer an awe-inspiring spectacle and a refreshing retreat. Each of these 25 destinations offers a unique experience, capturing the essence of Ghana's rich history, diverse culture, and stunning natural beauty. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the mesmerizing land of Ghana, a journey you won't forget. If you like my video, please support my channel. Hit the like button, share videos with your family and friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest uploaded videos. I am grateful.